Begin by removing the cup holders by unscrewing the two 4mm Allen screws indicated by the red arrows. The two screws will remain in the holder, red arrows. Slide the cup holder out from the opening in the dash. Use a T27 torque and remove the single screw holding the carpet trim piece in place, red arrow. Remove the trim piece and separate the connection from the power outlet by squeezing in on the two tabs on the connector and separating them, red arrows. Use a T20 torque and remove the two screws on the console trim piece indicated by the red arrows. Slide the bottom out from the clips and then carefully pull the top out from its clip. If it is really tight, you can carefully use a trim removal tool to help wedge or pry the top section out. Note, this image shows the driver's side, but you will be working on the passenger side. Working below the glove box, use a flathead screwdriver and remove the 4 plastic screws holding the piece in place, red arrows. Use your hands and remove the cover. Then use a T20 torque and remove the single screw connecting the lower section of the glove box to the center console indicated by the red arrow. Next, you're going to remove the two dash trim pieces, red and blue arrows. Use a trim removal tool and pry the end piece off. Note the two tabs that will sit in slots, red arrow. You will need to move the door rubber out of the way slightly with your trim removal tool. Pull the trim piece next to the glove box off by pulling it straight back. Support the bottom and the front, red arrows, while pulling evenly. Remove the 3 T20 torque screws from the right side bracket, red arrows. Remove the 2 T20 torque screws from the right side to center console, red arrows. Unclip the wiring harness clip from the right side, red arrow. Use a T20 torque and remove the 2 screws on the top of the glove box, red arrows. Make sure to support it, as at this time, once you remove the screws, the glove box will be free. You can now lower the glove box. Disconnect the wiring harness from the light or press the light out and pass it through the plastic piece, red arrow. Disconnect the other wiring connection. You are now free to remove the glove box assembly completely. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.